Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Stitch Fix day. And if you know me, you know I really like Stitch Fix. I want to thank all of you for being here, for watching, for supporting my channel. And if you wouldn't mind, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe button if you like seeing videos like this. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you give them your wants, needs, parameters, and they will curate outfits, or you can pick them all out. They have a preview now where you can choose. They will send you 10 items to choose from. You can choose all 5 of your items, which is how many they send you, or you can pick 1 or 2 and then they will fill in the gap. You can also shop freestyle with Stitch Fix, so you can just go online and just shop to your heart's content. And they do have sales sometimes, which is really nice. I like to shop the sales when I can find them. Shipping to and from, if you do subscribe to their service, which is $20 a box, and your $20 will go back to towards whatever you purchase. If you purchase all 5 items, you get a 25%. Oh, I do this every time. I'll have all the details down below in the description, as well as a link for $25 off. So I think it's 20% off if you buy everything, and $25 off if you use my code. You'll get $25 off your first box if you want to try it out, and I'll get $25 off my next box. That's always very helpful, and it also makes your first box pretty risk-free. So give that a try. Let's get into this bundle and see what I got. Oh, first, my stylist is Mel, which I have had Mel. Let's get into this bundle. I am going to flip it over and start with the jeans. These are the Can Audrey high-rise straight leg jean. Can is the brand. And these are cute. I like the wash. They feel really nice. I like those. Next looks to be a cardigan, and this is the Zoe Chainette Stitch Open Front Cardigan by Market & Spruce, which I believe Market & Spruce is Stitch Fix's in-house brand. This is cute. Here's the stitching, which you can absolutely see through, and then it's got this band at the bottom with a stripe. This is just different, not your ordinary. Now this, I thought it had it on the sleeves. I thought it had the stripe on the sleeves, but it does not. But that's cute. I like that. Next, this is the Adobe Split Neck Top by Daniel Rain. Pretty color. Adobe's a pretty good description. That's pretty. It's got kind of a quilting kind of a feel. And it's got these sleeves. Really pretty color. I think this would be a pretty for now, and it would also be pretty in the fall, but so this is the Casey Tassel Detail Top by Mason and Bell. I think this is cute. I feel like I've had this sent to me before, or maybe I'm just remembering it from seeing it, because I might have picked this out, but I think this is really cute too. Again, with this kind of Adobe color, which is kind of a saltine tile color. Really pretty, and then it's navy blue and gold. Again, pretty in the fall too. I like that. And then last, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Last is the Amia tie sleeve blouse by Monday Fun. There's a theme going here with this color. So here we are again. This is pretty. It's got these little kind of teardrop shaped kind of leaves, maybe. Button. Is it button? Nope. Not a button, just a V-neck. Sleeves tie. I think this is cute. I like this. Okay, let me go try them on and we will see what we think. I will be right back. We'll start with the Casey Tassel Detail Top by Mason and Bell in coral, size medium, $44. And the jeans are the Can Audrey High Rise Straight Leg Jean in indigo, size 6, $64. I've just paired them with a little pair of summer booties, sandals, whatever you call them, that I got in a Stitch Fix, and this little navy purse that could be a crossbody that I got from Amazon. It's a navy blue, and I think this is cute. I think the colors in this shirt are pretty. It's a little boho-esque. It's got the tassel ties. It's long in the back. Which I like. Got it tucked into these jeans. The jeans are cute. Just a plain dark wash, which I like. I think this is cute. Let me show you untucked how long it is. So I think this is cute. So I'm back with the next top. This is the Mia tie sleeve blouse by Monday Fun in burnt orange, size medium, $46. I think this is a really pretty color. I really do think it's pretty. It's got these little tiny, like, teardroppy kind of leaves on it. That's how long it is. I think it's very cute. Now let me try on, let me put the little cardigan over it. Hold on. I think this is very cute. It doesn't have pockets. I was looking for pockets. I think this is really cute. It's got this kind of open weave, I guess you would call it. And then I like the bottom. I like the little. So let me tell you what it is. It is the Market and Spruce Zoe chain net stitch. Something that doesn't, I don't know, in tan, size medium, $58. One more top, I'll be right back. Finally, this is the Adobe split neck top by Daniel Rain in coral, size medium, $58. I like this. To me, it's different for Daniel Rain. It's very stretchy. I love the sleeves. I think this detail is pretty, kind of quilted. I think it's pretty. It's a little bit more fitted. That's the length. I like this. Let me know what you think. But right now I'm leaning towards the cardigan and this. I really like all the tops. The jeans, I'll have to look and see. I have house shoes on now, so I don't know. When in my mirror, they're a little loose, a little big, and I don't know that they're that flattering, but I'll have to see. I'll have to watch it back and see, and I really don't need any more jeans. I keep telling them no more jeans, and they keep sending me jeans, but anyway, let me give you a really quick wrap up. It's hot. Okay, Stylist Picks subtotal is $270. Buy all discount of 25% is less $67.50. That would leave the subtotal minus tax $202.50. Not too bad, because that's a lot of cute tops and a nice pair of jeans. So they're really, Stitch Fix is doing great with me as far as price points, so I really appreciate that. But that is it for this box. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.